Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Port of Kingston. We're showing you the cranes that are at the port. And we're going to talk about Jamaica receiving two post-Panamax cranes at the Kingston Freeport Terminal. Now these are some of the largest cranes in the world. Now, the Port of Kingston is busy. It's actually the busiest port in the English-speaking Caribbean. And it's actually at capacity. So the government is expanding the port, and they are going to be the Cayman a Special Economic Zone, and those things are part of the port expansion process. Sorry, the Tinsapen Aerodrome is going to become a part of the port. So where we're looking at now, where you see those cranes, the port is going to come all the way across the road over to the Tinsapen Aerodrome. So with the amount of cargo that moves through the port of Kingston, they are getting some new cranes to help move the cargo faster to avoid the bottleneck that can sometimes happen. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Port Authority of Jamaica welcomed the arrival of two state-of-the-art post-Panamax ship-to-shore gantry cranes at Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited. The cranes, among the largest of their kind in the Caribbean, will significantly enhance Jamaica's capacity to efficiently accommodate the new generation of mega vessels transiting through the expanded Panama Canal. PAJ President and Chief Executive Officer Professor Gordon Shirley stated that the arrival of the cranes marks a major step forward in Jamaica's efforts to enhance port productivity, strengthen operational efficiency, and elevate global competitiveness. These cranes are the most advanced in the region and represent a critical upgrade in our port infrastructure. They will allow KFTL to manage the very large vessels that now dominate global shipping lanes with much greater efficiency, he said. Professor Shirley noted that the strategic investment forms part of an ongoing modernization program under the concession agreement between KFTL and PAJ signed in 2016. He added that since then, more than US $500 million has been invested in substantial infrastructure upgrades. These include the reconstruction of berths, installation of modern port operating systems, expansion of storage capacity, and upgrade. Professor Shirley further stated that the arrival of the new cranes will facilitate the redistribution of crane capacity across the terminal. The south berth, designated for larger vessels, will now accommodate the new high-capacity cranes, enabling the ports to efficiently service two mega vessels simultaneously. Two of the existing smaller cranes will be relocated to the west berth, optimizing operations for medium-sized vessels. This is all about the continued evolution of the terminal. By strategically aligning our equipment with vessel size and berth location, the entire port ecosystem becomes more streamlined and productive, Professor Shirley informed. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.